Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add non-Spotify music to the Spotify app. So let's say that you want to add some TikTok songs over to the Spotify app, so you have all your songs and all your sounds basically in the same app, and here's how you can do that. So basically, in order to add external songs basically to Spotify, what you need to do is open the app like this. And once you've done that, head over to the top left corner of your screen at your profile picture. And once you've done that, head over to settings and privacy. Once you've done that, you will be basically right here in all the settings. Just scroll all the way to the downside till you find local files. And what you then need to do is just simply enable local files. Once you've done that, right here a local files basically playlist will pop up, and once you start adding songs to the playlist, you will actually see that playlist. So now let's say that we want to actually add music to the playlist, so actually that starts to pop up. What we simply need to do is first of all close the app, head over to our iPhone or Android, and then go to the Files app. So mine is right here, just type in Files and click on the app. Once you've done that, go to search and type in Spotify, just like this. Oh my god, why did I type it wrong? Two times. Alright, so right here, I type Spotify right here, and then you will see this pop up, Spotify. And then right here, it will say Local Files Help Guide. So right here, you will basically be able to see what you need to do in order to make this work. But in order to actually make this work, what you need to do is just transfer some music over to this exact file right here. And once you've done that, you can head over to Spotify. And then basically a new playlist will start to pop up with local files. And basically that's how you can then just start listening to that music. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do. But yeah, everything is also set right here. It's really easy. So yeah, basically that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.